Good morning kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your home. I am Khushbu Patel from Saraswati Group of Education and I am taking your science as you know. Now see kids, what we have done in the last session, right? I hope you have remembered that we have done the reproduction in plant through various parts, right? Now we are moving further, but as you know that whenever the explanation is going on, you have to sit with your textbook and pencil, right? So I hope you will be having that. Okay. Now in your textbook, please open page number 11, right? Page number 11. That is our topic for today. What is that topic? The topic is crops. What is the topic? Crops. Right? About crops we have to study today. Now see kids, as you know that we live in a country where many people are doing a one common practice. That is what? Agriculture. જેને આપણે ખેતીવાડી કહીએ છીએ. According to one data, it is said that whatever the population of India, right, is, from that population, 70% of the people are engaged with the agricultural practices. મતલબ આપણી ભારતની જેટલી પણ વસ્તી છે એમાંથી 70% લોકો જે છે એ ખેતીવાડી કરે છે. Right? So we can say that India is a kind of a farming country, right? So about that farming process, or you can say the practices, we have to study in this session. I hope you all are ready today, okay? And you have also opened your textbook. Fine. So now I am reading and you will also read along me, okay? Chalo. Crops are plants that we cultivate in a large quantities. Cultivate का meaning क्या होता है? कि seed नाखी अने इन्हें उगाड़વું. That is known as cultivation. You see that all the farmers are cultivating crops in their farm, right? Okay, so cultivation means एक सरखा झाड़वा उगाड़वा. Right, but that is known as a food crops. એમાંથી આપણે food બનાવીએ છીએ. That we will study right now. Okay, so cultivation in a large quantities. Large એટલે એકદમ વધારે quantity માં એ ઉગાડે છે. So that is crops. Okay, now they provide us food and raw materials to produce many other things such as cloth, medicine and timber. That means why people are doing certain kind of agricultural practices, because these crops are providing many things to us. The first and foremost and important one is a food, right? Other than food, the crops are providing us raw material for cloth. જેમ કે કોટનના કપડા બને છે તો કોટન ક્યાં ઉગે? જેને આપણે કપાસ કહીએ છીએ એ ક્યાં ઉગે? તો કે ખેતરમાં એ લોકો ઉગાડે છે, પ્લાન્ટ ઉપર ઉગે છે, રાઈટ? સો ધેટ કોટન ઇઝ અ raw material. પછી એમાંથી કપડા બને છે. You see that many medicines are also made from the plant product. You see cough syrup जो आता है, right, उसमें तुलसी and many other plant products are included, right? You see ashwagandha, right, કે જે આપણે દૂધમાં mix કરીને પી શકીએ. It is good for our health, right? So that all things are what? It is a plant product. It is grown in the farm, right? So cloth, medicine, and one more thing it is written here, that is timber. Underline that word. Timber means what? Timber means લાકડું. ઇમારતી લાકડું એને કહેવાય કે જે નોર્મલી આપણે ફર્નિચર માટે યુઝ કરતા હોઈએ છીએ ઘરે, રાઈટ? So raw materials are being provided by the crops and these crops are grown in the farm, right? I hope you have understood till here. Okay, let's move further. The practice of growing large quantities of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture. Now what do you mean by agriculture? એક જ જગ્યાએ એક સરખા પ્લાન્ટ ઉગાડવા, બરાબર, એને શું કહેવાય? ખેતીવાડી. But what do you understand it in English? It is the practice of growing large quantities of plants for food and other purposes is called agriculture. Right? So you have to underline this definition. If I ask what is the meaning of agriculture, you should know. Right? So you will underline this. Okay? Now, rice is the most cultivated crop in our country. We know, we have studied about staple food, right, in the first session of the explanation. That staple food means what? The food which we use on daily basis. And we know that in the south side of India, the people are using a rice as their staple food. So, આપણા દેશમાં રાઈસ એટલે કે ચોખાની ખેતી સૌથી વધારે થાય છે. Okay? Clear? Now, what we have to understand? What is our next topic? Our next topic is kinds of crops. What is that? Kinds of crops. That means which type of crops are grown in the farm. કયા કયા જાતના crop જે છે farmers ઉગાડે છે. Right? So here the different category of the crops are given and some example of it is given. Right? So the first category is food crop. That means the crop which provide us the basic raw material for the food. If I say maize, if I say wheat, if I say rice, બરાબર, તો એ કાચા હોય છે જે આપણે ઘરે લઈ આવી અને એને પકાવીને એટલે કુક કરીને ખાઈએ છીએ. So that all crops will fall in which category? It will fall in the food crop category. See in your textbook. Food crops such as maize, rice, pulses, sugarcane and wheat. Right? Maize, do you know what do you mean by it? It is corn, makai. Barabar? Rice, you know. Pulses, also you know. Kathol, sugarcane and wheat. So, only few examples of the food crops are given here. But in short, what do you need to remember? That which type of crops are grown? The first type is food crop. કે જેમાંથી આપણે આપણો ખોરાક બનાવીએ છીએ, આપણું ખાવાનું બનાવીએ છીએ, જમવાનું બનાવીએ છીએ. Right? So that is our first kind. Now turn the page. Next one. What is the next category? The next category is fiber crop. What is next category? Fiber crop. Now what do you understand by fiber? Fiber means કપડા. જેમાંથી આપણા કપડા, જુદા જુદા ટાઈપના કપડા બનતા હોય છે, એને ફાઇબર્સ કહેવાય. રાઈટ? એકચ્યુઅલી કપડા તો બરાબર છે, પણ ફેબ્રિક, કપડાનું જે મટીરિયલ છે એને ફેબ્રિક કહેવાય. પણ એ કપડા બનાવવા માટે જે રો મટીરિયલ જે જોઈએ છે એ આપણને પ્લાન્ટમાંથી મળે છે. So the crops which is giving us the raw material to make the cloth, that crops are known as a fiber crop. કપડા બનાવવા માટે જે રો મટીરિયલ આપે છે એ ક્રોપને શું કહેવાશે? ફાઇબર ક્રોપ. રાઈટ? સી, such as cotton, as you know, jute, flax and hemp. Right? Cotton, you know, kapas. બરાબર? Jute means, do you know what is jute? Jute એટલે કોથળા. Actually jute, flax and hemp are having a similar meaning. શણ કહેવાય. રાઈટ? શણ એટલે આપણે તમને ખબર હોય કે જ્યુટ બેગ આવે છે which we use to carry our water bottles or maybe tiffins. Right? So jute, hemp and flax, you have to underline, and the meaning of it is શણ, જેમાંથી કોથળા બનતા હોય છે. રાઈટ? અને અત્યારે તો ઘણા બધા એવા થઈ ગયા છે કે મિક્સચર કરી, જ્યુટનું મિક્સચર કરીને નવા નવા ટાઈપના ક્લોથ્સ પણ બનાવે છે. They are making the carry bags, right, for bottles and for tiffins and for many other things. Okay, fine. So the second type of a crop is fiber crop. Understood? Now the third type of a crop. What is the third type of a crop? Oil producing crop. Right? Oil producing crop. Now you may have a question કે ઝાડવા ઉપર ઓઇલ થોડી ના ઉગે. Yes, you are right. Plant ઉપર કોઈ દિવસ ઓઇલ ના ઉગે. But plants are giving us such product from which we can take out the oil. કે એના ફ્લાવર્સ માંથી, એના સીડ માંથી આપણે ઓઇલ કાઢી શકીએ, એને પીસીને એમાંથી ઓઇલ બનાવી શકીએ. Right? See, oil producing crops such as canola. How will you pronounce it? Canola. જે સરસવનું ને જૈતુનનું તેલ એવું કહેવાય. It's a mixture. So canola, jethropha, right? These all are the oil which is used for medicine. બાળકોને માલિશ કરવા માટે ઘણી વખત એના ઓઇલમાં મિક્સ કરવામાં આવે છે. Even for oiling your hair it is good. Right? So canola, then jethropha, mustard means rye કે જે આપણે ખાવામાં યુઝ કરીએ છીએ. Right? Sunflower, that also you know because you have seen the advertisement of a sunflower oil in the TV. आपने टीवी पे देखा होगा. Right? So mustard, sunflower and soya bean. Right? So only few examples of the oil producing crops are given here. Right? That means mustard and jethropha and sunflower and canola and soya bean are the type of crops from which we can take out the oil. એટલે કે એની પ્રોડક્ટ માંથી આપણે ઓઇલ બનાવી શકીએ. Can you give me one more example of a oil? Groundnut oil, જેને આપણે સિંગ તેલ કહીએ છીએ. Do you know what is the meaning of a groundnut? Groundnut means મગફળી. Right? તો મગફળી ક્યાં ઉગે? ખેતરમાં ઉગે. એના દાણાને પીસીને એમાંથી ઓઇલ બને. So I can say that groundnut crop is a oil producing crop. Yes? Okay. So I hope you have understood the kind of crops here. Are you all clear till here? Fine. Now we are moving to the next topic. Okay? Now what is our next topic? We know that in India we see the seasonal change. हर 4 महीने सीजन चेंज थाती होय छे. विंटर, समर, मॉनसून. Right? Main season I am talking about. Right? So according to the season, farmers are growing the crops. કયા સિઝનમાં કયો ક્રોપ જે છે વધારે સારી રીતના ઉગશે એ પ્રમાણે એ લોકો ક્રોપ્સ ઉગાડતા હોય છે. So now we have to see the crops based on the season in which it is grown. કઈ સિઝનમાં એ ઉગે છે એ આપણે જોવાનું છે. Clear? Let us start. In India, crops that are grown in the summer season are called kharif crops. You have to underline this. From where you will start? Crops that are grown in the summer season are called kharif crop. So what is the first type of a crop based on season? Kharif crop. In which season it is grown? Yes, it is grown in a summer season. Right? It is grown in which season? Summer season. And so it is known as a kharif crop. Okay? I hope you have underlined it. Let's go to the next one. Here few examples of the kharif crops are given. Which are they? Rice, jowar, bajra, jute, hemp, peanuts, maize and pulses are kharif crops. Right? So all these are the example of a kharif crops. Again I am repeating. The crops which are grown in the summer season, that crops are known as kharif crops. Right? The few example of a kharif crops are given here. But you know that we don't only eat cereals or pulses, but we also eat vegetables as well as some seeds and fruits. તો ફ્રૂટ્સ પણ અમુક સિઝનમાં આવે. अमुक सीजन में ना आए, बराबर। जैसे मैंगो है तो वो कौन से सीजन में आता है? यस, समर सीजन में। वो आपको कहीं पे दिखाई देगा विंटर सीजन में? नहीं, राइट। सो सम फ्रूट्स एंड सम सीड्स आर आल्सो ग्रोन इन अ पर्टिकुलर सीजन. Let's take a look at some more example. Vegetables such as spinach, brinjal, tomato, onion, pumpkin, garlic and gourd grow well in the summer season. Gourd means bitter gourd એટલે કે કારેલા, bottle gourd એટલે કે દૂધી, rich gourd એટલે આપણે પેલા ગલકા જે કહીએ છે, right? So some vegetables are also grown into the summer season. Right, so these vegetable crops are also known as kharif crops, right? Okay, let's go further. Now we are moving to the fruits. Peach, lychee, mango, watermelon, muskmelon, plum and apricot are some fruits that grow best in the summer. There are some fruits which only grow in the summer season. So they are known as a seasonal fruits. બરાબર કે અમુક સિઝનમાં જ આપણને ફ્રૂટ્સ જોવા મળે તો એને શું કહેવાય? તો કે seasonal fruits. The fruits which are grown in the summer season, they are known as a kharif fruits, right? Which are the example as you have seen here: peach, lychee, mango, watermelon, muskmelon, plum. Plum ને આપણે જરદાલુ કહીએ ગુજરાતીમાં. Right, so these are the few examples which you can see in the summer season. We have seen the example of a cereals, we have seen the example of a vegetable as well as the fruits, right? So again I am telling you, the crops which are grown in the summer season is known as a kharif crops, right? I hope you have understood. Yes, okay. Now we are moving to the second season crop. Now we have seen the summer season. Now we are moving to the second one, which is that rabi crops. What is the next category? It is rabi crops. Okay, now see, crops that are grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. In the first category we have seen the crops which are grown in the summer season. Now the next category is the crops which are grown in winter season, right? So these crops are known as rabi crops. Okay, again underline the definition of rabi crops. From where you will start? Crops that are grown in the winter season are called rabi crops. Okay, now let's take a look at the example. Wheat and gram. Wheat એટલે કે ઘઉં, gram means chana, right? Are rabi crops. So these are the example of a cereal. અનાજના example છે, right? Radish, turnip, carrots, peas, mustard, cauliflower, cabbage and beans are some vegetables that grow well in the winter. We have seen that wheat and gram grow well in this winter season. Same way there are certain vegetables which grow only in winter season. So they are also known as a rabi crops, or you can say rabi vegetables. શિયાળાના શાકભાજી. Right? Now what is remaining? Yes, fruits. Apples, oranges and pomegranates are fruits that are generally grown in the winter season. Now see kids, we have seen kharif crop and rabi crops. We have also seen some examples of the crops which is grown in the particular season. પણ એવું નથી કે અહીંયા જેટલા એક્ઝામ્પલ આપેલા છે એટલા જ ક્રોપ ઉગે. No, here in your textbook as per your grade only few examples are given, right? Other than that, many vegetables, many fruits, many cereals, many pulses are grown in both the season, right? Let me tell you, जैसे राइस मैंने बोला कि हमारी कंट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा उसको कल्टीवेट किया जाता है, तो राइस को बहुत ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए, तो वो कब वो लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं उसको उगाना? They start it before the monsoon season, right? એટલે naturally એને વરસાદનું પાણી મળતું રહે because they require more water, right? So according to the season and according to the environmental condition, farmers are growing different type of crops. Clear? I hope you have understood till here, right? So today I am ending my session over here, but as you know that before I end the session I always give you the instruction कि आज हमने जो कुछ भी किया है that you have to read again from your textbook. If you have any query, please go through this video again. Okay? I hope you will read it. Will you? Yes? Give me thumbs up. Yes. Fine. So you will read it and please go through this video if any query. Okay? I am taking your leave, right? We will meet next time. Till that time, please stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye.